What if I was to tell you you can book a flight today and not pay a single cent upfront? And no, it's not a scam or some kind of scheme. This hack is what millions of people worldwide are using every day to book flights for their dream vacation, long-awaited family events, or even a spontaneous getaway. It's not magic. It's a financial tool that's making travel more accessible than ever. These buy now, pay later services have changed the game for travelers, giving you more flexibility and control over how you pay. This allows you to book your trip today and pay it off in installments, freeing up your budget for other essentials, or even a few extra bucks for vacation splurges. But here's the thing, not all buy now, pay later services are the same, and the one that's best for you depends on the type of trip you're planning and how you want to handle your payments. So let's dive into my top picks of buy now, pay later services that makes travel affordable. But make sure you watch to the end. I've got a bonus tip that can help you make over $200 a day that can fund your next adventure. All right, now let's dive in so that we can make that dream trip a reality. Here's how each of them work and what you need to know. The first buy now, pay later option, or BNPL, is called Uplift. Uplift is actually one of the most popular BNPL services specifically designed for travel. They partner with major airlines like Southwest, American Airlines, and even more, and even cruise lines, to let you pay for trips in fixed monthly installments. What's cool is that Uplift often integrates directly into the airline's booking site, making it very seamless to use. I've even used Uplift to book flights for Southwest Airlines before. So just a heads up, Uplift typically performs a soft credit check, which will not impact your credit score. However, keep an eye on that interest, which can vary based on your credit profile. Next, we have Zip, which you may already use for retail shopping, but it's made its way into the travel space now. With Zip, you can split your payments into 4 easy installments over 6 weeks. And the best part, it's interest-free, which is a huge win, right? So Zip is great for short-term, interest-free payment plans, especially if you're confident you can pay off the installments quickly. Next, we have Afterpay. Now, Afterpay operates very similar to Zip, offering 4 bi-weekly payments. It's very popular for shopping, but it's also accepted by several travel booking sites and airlines. Like Zip, Afterpay doesn't charge interest, as long as you pay on time. So giving you a quick heads up, missing a payment can result in late fees, so make sure to set reminders if needed. Next, we have Affirm. Now, Affirm is the heavyweight in the buy now, pay later space and gives you the flexibility to choose payment plans ranging from 3 to 36 months. And that will be determined by the cost of your flight. Now, the catch, some plans come with interest, so be sure to view the terms before committing. So to me, Affirm will be ideal for bigger trips like international flights, where spreading payments over a long period of time makes sense. Last but not least, we have Klarna. Klarna is another versatile BNPL service. Klarna lets you pay in 4 easy installment plans, or like Affirm, you can choose a longer term financing option. They're known for a user-friendly app that makes tracking your payments easy. One perk with Klarna is their pay later option, which lets you book now, that's 0 down, and pay within that 30 days. Interest-free, which makes it great for spontaneous trips. Now here's some tips on how to use these BNPL services wisely. A few key points to remember. Always read the terms and conditions carefully. Make sure to budget for your installments and never take on a payment plan that you can't comfortably manage. So you want to review interest rates, stick to a budget, and make sure you set payment reminders on your phone. Now, when you take these trips, you're gonna want some spending money, right? And using a buy now, pay later service will help with that. But what if I was to tell you can add a side hustle that can make you up to $200 a day or even more just by delivering food? Wow. This is a flexible side hustle that helps thousands, including me. Check this out. But hold up, before we get back to the video, did you know you can make over $200 a day just delivering food? I have created a system working with Uber Eats that has allowed me to make over $200 a day, working part-time, and the flexibility to work whenever I want to. And just to prove it, these are real amounts that I've made with Uber Eats just in one day. With over 10 years of experience and 7,000 trips under my belt, I have mastered the game of making money with Uber Eats. Uber Eats is available in over 500 cities. And when it comes down to getting paid, Uber pays you same day, instantly. You can make money part-time, full-time. So whether you need extra cash for a vacation, for the holidays, or just to pay a bill, Uber Eats is how you can make that happen. Whether you're new to Uber Eats or been in the game for years, this kit is packed with resources that will help you start earning a profit right away. So hit the link below to grab your free starter kit and get started today. Let's get that extra cash today. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and want to learn from someone that's been in the game making up to $200 a day or even more, click the link in the comments below to get started with my Drive to Profit starter kit for free. Hey, have you ever used the buy now, pay later services to book a flight? If so, which one did you use? And how was your experience? Let me know in the comments below and let's talk about it. If you got value out this video, show some love and smash the like and subscribe. And if you got value out of this video, definitely check out the next video.